ReplaceLCD.com, your source for replacement LCD screens. Notice, the LCD installation procedure is different for every laptop model. At ReplaceLCD.com, we've created a searchable database of LCD installation guides. Simply go to ReplaceLCD.com, click on the Installation Guides link, select your laptop brand, series, and model, and you'll be taken to the custom installation guide for your LCD. That's all. You're now ready to install your new LCD screen.
Start by removing the laptop battery. Remove the rubber covers. There are 4 on top and 2 on the bottom. Unscrew the screws from the LCD bezel. Gently remove the plastic bezel. Pull in an upward motion. Unplug the inverter cables from your LCD by sliding them in the opposite direction. Remove the screws from the LCD hinges. Remove the tape that is holding the LCD cable. Once the tape is removed, the cable will be disconnected. Your LCD has now been removed and is ready for replacement. We will now install the new LCD onto your laptop. Plug the LCD cable back into your LCD. Secure it with the tape on the cable. Reconnect your LCD inverter cables. Screw the hinges back onto the LCD. Place the LCD bezel back onto the screen. Snap it back in place. Screw the plastic bezel back onto the LCD. Place the rubber covers over the screws. And that's all. You just replaced your laptop LCD.
ReplaceLCD.com, your source for replacement LCD screens.